Hey everyone, it's KD Traveler. For years, I dreamed of exploring the world, but the thought of solo female travel always felt daunting. There were so many questions. Would it be safe? Where do I even begin? Over time, I realized that waiting for the perfect travel buddy or the right moment was just an excuse. This incredible planet was calling, and I was ready to answer. So if you're a woman with a thirst for adventure but feeling a little unsure, this video is for you. We're diving into my top tips for solo female travel, empowering you to embrace the journey with confidence and create unforgettable memories. Let's do this. Before you even think about packing your bags, knowledge is your best friend. Take some time to dive deep into your chosen destination. What are the local customs? Any cultural nuances you should be aware of? I always make it a priority to research safety concerns as well. Check travel advisories, read online forums, and maybe even connect with other female travelers who've been there. Remember, feeling prepared and informed will boost your confidence from the get-go, allowing you to fully embrace the adventure ahead. One of the golden rules of solo travel, especially as a woman, is to keep someone in the loop. Before you jet off, share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. Let them know your flight details, accommodation plans, and any planned excursions. While you're exploring, check in regularly via text, email, or call. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate, just a quick, "Hey, I'm safe and having an amazing time in destination." This simple act provides an extra layer of security and peace of mind, both for you and your loved ones. Chapter 3. Pack light, pack smart. Less is more. Ladies, we know how tempting it is to pack our entire wardrobe, but trust me, when it comes to solo travel, less is definitely more. You'll be surprised how much you can fit into a well-organized carry-on. Opt for versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. And don't forget essential safety items. I always carry a whistle or a personal alarm for added security. Remember, lugging around heavy luggage can be a real drag, literally. Packing light grants you freedom and flexibility, allowing you to navigate new destinations with ease. Chapter 4. Trust your gut. Your intuition is your guide. This one's huge. As women, we have an incredible sense of intuition. If a situation, a person, or even a place just doesn't feel right, trust your gut. It's always better to err on the side of caution and remove yourself from any scenario that makes you uncomfortable. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount. Don't be afraid to say no, change your plans, or seek help if needed. Your instincts are your most valuable travel companion, so listen to them. Chapter 5. Blend in, stand out. The art of subtlety. While it's amazing to embrace the local culture and stand out as a respectful traveler, it's also wise to avoid drawing unnecessary attention to yourself, especially in certain areas. Try to dress in a way that blends in with the local women. This not only shows respect for their customs, but also helps you avoid being targeted as a tourist. Remember, confidence and awareness are your best accessories. Walk with purpose, be mindful of your surroundings, and enjoy the experience of immersing yourself in a new culture. Embrace the adventure. Solo female travel might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's one of the most empowering and fulfilling experiences you can have. By taking these tips to heart, I truly believe you can embark on your adventures with confidence and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're scaling mountains in Nepal or strolling through the bustling markets of Morocco, remember to embrace the unknown, trust your gut, and savor every single moment. The world is waiting to be explored, so go out there and make it your own. Don't forget to subscribe and share your solo travel stories in the comments below. I can't wait to hear all about them.